Welcome back to the Transferring $10,000 to Cash App series. This is part 2. If you missed part 1, you can go back and check that out to learn how to do the transfers. Everything is explained in the previous video. You can see my $2,500 transfer came through. We can go to my activity here as well. So I got the $2,500 bank transfer and a couple of TikTok payments. I believe I still have more TikTok payments coming through, so I can't really control that, but we'll take this money as well. By the way, I've added another membership level to the channel, so if you become a member, you'll get access to a video that shows all of the ways that I've made money online. So now I can go to savings. You can see today is May 1st. I just received a payment for $3.98, and that's just for some money that I had in my savings, and that's because I'm earning 4.5% interest. So now it's going to give me an estimate of almost $6 that I'll earn in May and be paid on June 1st. But once I add more money in here, it'll give me more earnings. And because it's May 1st right now, it'll give me an accurate reading for the entire month. So I'll transfer in $2,720. Go to savings, tap transfer in, tap the 3 dots, $2,720, and tap continue. It's going to scan my face. Transfer $2,720 to savings instantly from my cash balance. Tap transfer. Tap done. So just like that, I have updated my amount in my savings. I now have $4,306 in here. Now if we scroll down, we'll see that in May, I'll earn $16 on this money. And that's just for keeping it in here and earning the interest. Once this is paid out on June 1st, it will go directly into this savings balance here and continue to compound. So now I'm gonna go back. You can see it took that money out of my cash balance. It's now in my savings earning interest. And that's really all there is to it. Now I'm gonna go to my banking app and transfer another $2,500. As you saw in the previous video, I do have limits that I can transfer per month through this method. But I'm just going to keep sending this money over, and eventually we'll get to 10K here in savings. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.